Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening. Let me introduce myself. My name is Fahri Felerendra Herman. I am 20 years old from Bandar Lampung City. Here, I would like to explain why I choose to major in room division management. Because I want to be a manager and even a star hotel owner. And my interest in hotelier is very high. With evidence previously, I graduated from a tourism education and training center, Krida Wisata Lampung, majoring in hospitality in the vocational high school and equivalent diploma 1. Until now, I still play an active role working in the hospitality world. Hopefully, after graduating from STP Hai Bandung in the room division management study program, I can get a much better career. Thank you for your attention. Good evening. Salam pesona Indonesia. Wonderful Indonesia.